now in this circle they ask the perimeter of this circle. So how to get it, right? Now here they tell, no, has the in the information they tell the AC is the diameter and O is the center, right? That AC diameter, no, that means this diameter, this AC subtended angle at circumference here, right? This is semicircle theorem actually. When you have diameter and the diameter subtended angle at circumference, this should be 90, right? 90 degree, right? So now this is right angle triangle, no, so you can use trigonometric ratio to get the radius, because when they ask the perimeter, we know if we know the radius we can find the perimeter. The problem is here we have no radius, so get to radius. Now I can use this way. Now I can find this diameter AC length, then we know, no, the radius will be half of the diameter, so you can get the radius and then you can find the perimeter, right? Anyway, now here in this triangle, right angle triangle, we know, right, according to this angle we know this is adjacent, right? CB is the adjacent and this is the hypotenuse, AC is the hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse connect with cos, right? So I can write cos ratio, cos 50 equal, right, cos 50 equal 9, that means adjacent side over AC, that means diameter of the circle. So then we can apply cross multiplication. Here will be cos 50 into AC equal 1 into 9, no? Then get to AC, both side divide by cos 50, right? Here divide by cos 50, and now your AC value will be actually we will get like 14.00 like that. So we can round off to whole number like 14 centimeter, right? AC is 14, so what is the radius, right? This diameter, no, diameter is 14, so radius will be 7, half of the diameter length. So AC half is AC is 14, no, half of the AC radius, it will be 7 centimeter. So now you can find C, that means circumference, using this formula 2 pi r. So C here 2 into 5 into r mean 7 cm. So your answer will be here like I got here 43.9822 like that, but they asked to give it to 3 significant figure, no, so your answer will be when you try to convert to 3 significant figure, here 8, so bigger than 5, 3 significant figure mean here first the significant figure, here second, here third, no. Now here this is more than 5, so that's why we need to add 1 here. So when you add 1 here, it will become 0, and here because here when you add 1 to 9, it will be 10. From 10 I need to put 0, 1 come to here, so 1 plus 3 it will be 4, and here 4. So our final answer will be what the perimeter of the circle 44.0 unit right even to 0 centimeter. So this is the answer for circumference of the circle.